What if you could replace 5 bulky items in your pocket with just one smart tool? In today's video, we're diving into 10 multifunctional EDC tools designed to maximize utility while minimizing clutter. From compact powerhouses like the SOG PowerPint Mini Multitool and the versatile LEATHERMAN Micra, to clever everyday solutions like the Gerber Prybrid X Multitool and the ultra-handy KeySmart rugged key holder, these tools are built to handle multiple tasks without weighing you down. Whether you're upgrading your everyday carry or just want smarter gear, this list will show you how to carry less and do more. Keys jingle loudly, pockets bulge, and fumbling wastes time. Car fob catches on fabric. Daily commute starts frustrated. Broken key edges, scratch phones, wallets, and other items. Standard key rings feel bulky, noisy, and poorly organized. Can't quickly access the right key when needed urgently. Metal bottle openers are separate, forgotten when social moments arise. Weak clips detach. Keys spill during hands-on tasks or workouts. Carrying extra multi-tools adds bulk and duplicates functionality. Traditional organizers wear out quickly and feel flimsy. You want a sleek, reliable solution that simplifies everyday carry. KeySmart Rugged features thicker 2.79mm front and back plates. Sturdy aluminum construction resists wear, bending, and everyday abuse. Compact design stacks up to 14 keys without bulk. Adjustable expansion screws let you add more keys effortlessly. Removable pocket clip secures organizer to pockets or belts discreetly. Integrated car fob loop keeps electronic fobs safely attached and accessible. Built-in stainless steel bottle opener eliminates separate bulky tools. Quiet folding mechanism prevents jingling and reduces pocket noise. Modular accessory compatibility adds multi-tool functions when you need them. Anodized blue finish resists corrosion while looking refined and professional. Enjoy organized keys, smooth access, and fewer wasted minutes daily. No more scratched screens or ruined wallets from loose keys. Carry a bottle opener always available for spontaneous moments. Reliable pocket clip keeps keys secure during work and travel. Durable plates mean this organizer lasts through daily abuse. Expandable capacity adapts to changing key collections and tools. Minimalist profile reduces pocket bulk while improving comfort. Quiet, rattle-free carry improves focus and reduces distractions. Makes a thoughtful gift or stocking stuffer for drivers. Invest in KeySmart Rugged for practical, long-lasting, everyday simplicity. Last week, my gear failed mid-hike. Darkness and snapped lines. Battery dead, map wet, and I couldn't cut the rope. Friends panicked, arguing we were done. Rescue days away. I fumbled with bulky tools that wouldn't cooperate at all. Pride turned to frustration. My toolbox felt useless, heavy. Then someone tossed me a tiny shadowed metal rectangle. I laughed. Looked like a toy, not rescue equipment. But the joke was about to become the lifeline. Meet the SOG PowerPint pocket-sized, viciously capable multi-tool. 18 tools packed into a palm, magnetic hex bit holder compound leverage, doubles your grip. Smooth, open and close. Needle nose pliers, wire cutters, serrated blade. All ready. Only 3. 2 inch closed. 4. 2 ounce lightweight. Carries everywhere effortlessly. 2 stainless blades, straight and S. Aerated cut clean. Magnetic bit holder. Accepts Phillips, flat, hex bits instantly. Tool list, scissors, file, bottle opener, awl, ruler, more. We fixed the snapped tent pole before sunset. Cheers erupted. I stripped a stubborn screw with no batteries. No fuss. Cut braided fishing line. Crimped connectors. Opened cold cans. Neighbors stared. My toy became the campsite's salvation. Back home, it replaced half my kitchen drawer junk instantly. Compound leverage meant tougher grips, cleaner cuts, less strain. Durable stainless finish resists rust. Clip keeps it accessible. Tradespeople, hikers, parents, technicians, everyone reached for it. This tiny tool turned desperation into confident, calm action. If you carry one tool, make it the PowerPint. Buy it now, stealth, black or classic stonewash. Slide it into your pocket, pack, or field kit today. Stop overpacking. Start being prepared with intelligent minimalism, SOG PowerPint, small tool, colossal results. Go get yours. Gerber Shard XL, 6-in-1 EDC Multitool, stainless steel, Micra, measures 3.9 inches long, 1 inch wide, weighs 2.4 ounces. Features: pry bar, wire stripper, nail puller, 2 flatheads, integrated bottle opener, deep carry clip, keyring lanyard for access, laser-etched pattern and micarta scale deliver looks and durability. Stainless steel body resists corrosion. Lightweight yet robust construction. Pocket ready, slips into jeans or keychain without weighing you. Ideal for camping, hiking, trades, first responders, everyday carry. 3. 9-inch pry tip handles, paint cans, light prying, scraping tasks. Wire stripper and flatheads tackle quick electrical and field repairs. Micarta inlay feels like classy leather, resists oily fingerprints. Deep carry clip enables fast deployment. Stays secure during movement. Compact size, 6 tools your keychain's Swiss Army without the bulk. Backed by Gerber guarantee, limited lifetime warranty for reliability. Shard XL, dependable, stylish, and ready. Grab one and go. This little tool just replaced half my toolbox, no exaggeration. Meet the Gerber Prybrid X, a brilliant pocket workhorse. 8 tools hidden in 4 inches pry, cut, strip. Slide lock. Number 11 blade deploys instantly. Safe, replaceable, razor sharp. Dual-ended design. Pry bar and utility blade. Instant access. Wire stripper, nail puller, 2 flat drivers, job ready. Bottle opener and cord cut notch for unexpected everyday victories. Wrapped in 550 paracord grip, emergency cordage, rugged look. Stonewash stainless body resists corrosion. Survives field abuse. Lightweight, pocket-sized, fits keyring, carry it everywhere comfortably. Perfect for DIY, tradespeople, campers, anglers, and first responders. Quick blade swaps using standard Fiskars number 11 replacements. Built tough and backed by Gerber's limited lifetime warranty. Use it at work, campsite, or emergency on the fly. Grab the Prybrid X, your new everyday problem solver. My pockets betrayed me at the worst possible time. A zipper snapped, a seam tore, panic rose like tide. Friends stared. My toolbox was a fantasy I didn't own. I imagined heroic repair kits, bulky and impossible pockets. Then a rustle on my keychain changed everything. Tiny metal glinted too small to be powerful, I thought. I pulled out Micra. Silence turned into disbelief. 10 tools folded into 2.5 inches. Spring action scissors, sharp blade, tweezers, each tool precise, ready. I snipped thread, fixed a button, calmed a crowd. People leaned in, expecting tricks. They saw function instead. It wasn't a novelty. It was American-made, stainless, relentless. Cerakote finishes shimmered. Limited spring colors whispered tasteful boldness. Lightweight, 2.5 inches closed barely there. Always prepared, instantly. For commuters and campers, Micra becomes a quiet superpower. I used the file for a stubborn cuff, magic. Bottle opener saved our picnic. Tweezers rescued a splinter. Skeptics called it a toy. Results called it reliable. Made in the USA with stainless guts and heart. Backed by 25 years of warranty, confidence felt tactile. Style first, design limited colors that actually match your vibe. Slim profile paired with spring action scissors equals everyday elegance. Everyday carry enthusiasts nodded. Travelers smiled. Outdoor hobbyists cheered. It fits keys, totes, bags, manners of modern survival. Gifting season? Graduations? Micra arrives like thoughtful practicality. No bulky gear, just a classy, compact lifesaver. My wallet stayed light. My confidence grew heavy. From tiny fixes to quick grooming, Micra never flinched. If you carry keys, carry competence, carry Micra today, always. Click to add Micra to your pockets and story. Ever struggled carrying dozens of sockets on every repair? Tight spaces, stripped bolts, and missing sizes, total frustration. I used to juggle bulky toolboxes everywhere I went. Lost time and momentum hunting the right socket. Meet the Lichamp 2-3-in-1 Universal Pocket Wrench, EDC. Covers imperial and metric 1/4 to 3/4, 7 to 19 mm. Heat-treated Krov steel delivers industrial strength torque and durability. Bright chrome plating resists rust. Looks professional too. Adjust the knurled screw, click to the size you need. Slim low profile fits tight engine bays and bike frames. Ratcheting action and ergonomic rubber grip speed up work. Saved me time. Pocketable. No more hauling big toolkits. Perfect for mechanics, cyclists, and weekend DIYers alike. Industrial-grade performance in a compact, everyday carry wrench. Grab your Lichamp 2-3-in-1 now, ready for any repair. Night rain. Distance siren. A hand reaches for gear. Small, precise motions matter when seconds decide outcomes. Meet the Micro Pocket Organizer Compact. Mission-ready EDC solution, 3.5 by 5.5 by 1 inch, deceptively spacious interior. Elastic loops cradle multi-tools. Slip pockets, tame small essentials, tear-resistant see-through mesh shows contents at a glance, genuine YKK zipper glides smooth with paracord pull, built from 800D ballistic nylon weather and abrasion defiant. Reinforced seams, heavy-duty grab loop, ready for rough use. Clamshell opening reveals organized rows of purpose-built pockets. Carry it in pockets, packs, molly, or on belts. Low profile in jeans, professional in duty uniform, versatile. Small medkits, flashlights, pens, cables, everything stays neatly secured. Split elastic. Organizers and slip pockets prevent chaotic rummaging. See-through mesh saves seconds when decisions depend on speed. Trusted since 2003 by special forces and law enforcement, American designed in Los Angeles, crafted with strict quality standards, handles feedback, iterates design. Maxpedition evolves through user insight. Now, expanding with knives, tools, and morale patches. Engineered ergonomics ensure quick access without fumbling under pressure. YKK logo under the slider confirms dependable zipper performance. Molly-compatible webbing mates seamlessly to tactical rigs and packs. From field missions to daily commutes, reliability never wavers. You feel confidence when every tool has its place. Lightweight, unobtrusive, yet uncompromising on toughness and finish. Organize like a pro. Retrieve, Lee, K-Instinct every time. Perfect for operators, EMTs, hikers, commuters, and EDC collectors. Durable materials extend service life. Your gear rewards investment. Slip it into your pocket, forget it until needed micro pocket organizer small form. Massive practical impact. Tired of fumbling for a weak, bulky flashlight at night? Keys jingle, lights die, and charging always seems inconvenient. Micro USB ports break. Slow charges leave you stranded often. You want bright, fast, pocketable light without the fuss. Meet the OLIGHT i1 R2 Pro EOS Small Powerhouse. Compact 2.02-inch length, just 0.78 ounces, nearly unnoticeable. CSP LED plus TIR optic delivers up to 180 lumens. Beam reaches 48 meters, focused, reliable illumination for tasks. Dual modes, twist for 5 lumens, twist more for 180. New USB-C fast charging, full charge in about 100 minutes. No disassembly, no fiddly cables, just plug and go. Rugged, anodized knurled aluminum body, IPX rated for everyday use. Integrated keyring and low-profile clip keep it securely accessible. Ultralight EDC fit, you'll forget it's even there. Perfect for commuters, campers, tradespeople ready on demand. Compared to i1R2, this model offers 20% brighter output. Battery upgraded 130 mAh rechargeable cell with extended runtime. High mode runs 23 minutes. Moonlight gives up to 12 hours. Fast USB-C recharge means less downtime, more reliable readiness. One-handed twist operation makes night tasks simple and intuitive. Focused reflector and precision optics create a clean, usable beam. Compact green anodized finish looks rugged and genuinely premium. Before, bulky dim lights, slow chargers, constant annoyance. After, pocket-sized, 180 lumens, USB-C fast charge, ready instantly. Ideal everyday backup for late commutes, camping, and emergencies. Lightweight enough to stay on keys without bulk or noise. Built for professionals and enthusiasts who demand dependable EDC lighting. Grab the OLIGHT i1R 2 Pro EOS for smarter daily lighting. Order now. Experience fast charging and bright, focused illumination. Please feel free to contact us if any further problems. Last weekend I fumbled with screws at a campsite, losing patience. Pocket tools were bulky, missing bits, and useless in tight spaces. Tried makeshift fixes with keys and coins, disaster ensued. Lost a tiny screw inside a panel, ruined my workflow instantly. Had no bottle opener after a long build session, frustrating. Phone battery died. Needed quick fixes but lacked proper driver. Every replacement tool felt overbuilt or impossible to carry daily. I realized I needed a compact, powerful, clippable screwdriver immediately. Scoured EDC forums and videos, hunting for a no-nonsense solution. Then, I stumbled upon Screwpop's tiny magnetic ring screwdriver ad. Clicked through reviews people raved about pocket fit and reliability. Ordered immediately, because the specs matched my everyday carry wishlist. Unboxed the Screwpop SP4 Compact, solid, and surprisingly heavy. Feature that grabbed me: reversible double-sided Phillips and flathead bit. Plus the N52 neodymium magnet held bits with insane security. Ring grip design lets one-handed high-leverage turning in tiny spaces. All-metal build and bottle opener added irresistible everyday utility. Included carabiner clip made it instantly attachable to keys, bag. Its ultralight profile fit my pocket without awkward bulk. Solved my campsite screw fiasco. One hand, quick bit swap, fixed. No more losing bits. Magnet held tiny screws and bits securely. Panels off in seconds. Phone case back on. Saved the day. Bottle opener rewarded delayed build beers. Celebrated with friends instantly. Carabiner clip meant zero pocket spills during hiking and travel. Feels durable. Lifetime metal build reduces replaceable EDC clutter. If you're an EDC lover, this tiny tool punches way above. Ready for unexpected fixes, outdoor adventures, or quick household jobs. Want reliable compact torque clipped to your keys right now? Grab the Screwpop SP4, stop fumbling. Start fixing instantly today. Limited carry space? This solves it. Clip one, thank yourself. Those were 10 multifunctional EDC tools that can seriously simplify your everyday carry by replacing multiple items with one compact solution. Whether it's staying organized with the Maxpedition Micro Pocket Organizer or being prepared for quick fixes using the Screwpop magnetic bit holder, the goal is efficiency without compromise. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more practical EDC gear and smart everyday solutions that help you stay ready for anything. Those were 10 multifunctional EDC tools that can seriously simplify your everyday carry by replacing multiple items with one compact solution. Whether it's staying organized with the Maxpedition Micro Pocket Organizer or being prepared for quick fixes using the Screwpop magnetic bit holder, the goal is efficiency without compromise. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more practical EDC gear and smart everyday solutions that help you stay ready for anything.